Hello and welcome back to TechnoSurge YouTube channel. So AMD is proposing a new feature called the highest frequency that will directly notify the OS of the boost clock speed. Deployment to Windows 11 is also being considered. Currently it is available only on Linux servers at this current point of time. And what does it essentially does is you need to go into your BIOS to overclock, and it's a manual process. Or you can use the Ryzen Master to overclock your CPU, but you need to do it manually. But here, the highest frequency is a feature where your CPU just directly communicates with the OS, and OS knows that this is the highest frequency core that it can run at, and it can deploy the workload to that core if it's needed. So you don't need to do anything directly, anything manually. It is all automatic, which is a significant increase in performance, and it allows the OS to accurately determine the boost clock and core. And yeah, it's pretty fast overall. And the deployment, it is currently in ACPF specific 6.1, and they are working on it. It's currently under review, and the deployment for Windows is also planned. Still don't know when it's going to happen, but might be relatively soon. Along with it, in China, the AMD Radeon 9070 XT cards are now selling below MSRP, which is significant because this might happen in US and every other country there where the Radeon graphics card will go down in pricing. Still don't know anything about it, but it might happen. As RX 9070 GRE, the official round price was 2099, but it is being sold at 1579 or 1740. Same with 9060 XT and 9070. Overall significantly increase and decrease in pricing, and one of the reason will be too much inventory available, and that's why they want to, there's not much demand, that's why they want to get over those inventory, that's why they are selling it at this reduced pricing. Let's hope that it affects every other country also, but it is to be seen. Along with it, the DIY PC market slows down as CPU sales hits record lows. It is a data where many people are not ready to make new purchases at this current point of time because of economy and everything else. So they are just stopping to buy PC components, and that's why the DIY market, which is not the OEM based but other companies, are slowing down, like YouTubers and everyone else who takes parts from different vendors and makes it. It's relatively slowing down, and as you can see, it's hit its record low, which might be one of the reason why AMD said that there will be no sales, and they are just worried about the second. There will be no sales for the first half of 2026. That's why that is must be most of the reason about it. But we will see about it. I will keep you updated regarding it. But yeah, that's it from me today. What do you think about the news? Sound of your thoughts in the comment section down below, and I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.